Today we are teaching a water heater maintenance course to a lot of the maintenance professionals in our new multifamily home space. And then Upanor, there's going to be this stuff over here. It's the expandable stuff in the back, the white stuff. My name is Dean Christian. I work with Winsupply of West Orange as an outside sales rep. The big thing that differentiates us from a lot of the big box stores in the area is we are local ownership with national buying power. What that means is Winsupplies are all individually owned and operated, but they're part of a bigger conglomerate. All you do is squeeze it, right? That's it. Hold it.
It was a good performance or a good demonstration. I think we took something away from it today, so very happy with it.
We don't just want to be order takers. We don't just want to walk up and you give me an order. I want you to say, hey Dean, what's wrong with this water heater? Can you help me through these steps? We exclusively do this for partners. So people that come in, create credit apps, know that they want to be a partner with us. It's exclusively for them.